What's happening, everybody? It's Lil Reggie again. And I'm hearing some motherfucking music going on. I don't know where it's coming from, but y'all can't see my face, but you know what I'm saying? We're going to a car meet right now. So I know it's a little dark, but you know what I'm saying? But we about to get up in a motherfucking Mustang, you know what I mean? So yeah. We heading to a car meet right now. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm gonna put my key in my pocket because I mean, you know what I'm saying? That boy is keyless. If y'all can see that shit, I don't know if you can or not, but oh well, bucket. But yeah, see y'all when y'all get there. That's big. Or technically, shall I say, you're gonna see when we get there. Alright, so what's up, everybody? We here. You know what I'm saying? We at the location of the meetup. You know what I'm saying? Lock the doors and shit. Yeah, Sonic. Fuck y'all. But shit. You know what I'm saying? We over here, we chilling, bro.
Redone the brakes.
Man, oh my god, turbo. Shit, man, this shit chilling over here like a motherfucker.
Yo, man.
Hey, shit, what's happening?
Oh, shit, just chilling, man.
Hell yeah. Shit, nothing.
Chilling?
Hell yeah. Damn.
He just put a brand new turbo in here, man.
Hell yeah. That hoe clean.
Uh-oh.
Hey, you mind if I record it?
Yeah.
People with some loud ass cars out here, but check this shit out, bro. You know what I'm saying? You got turbos on shit. Yeah, that hoe clean. See, man, we got secret Hellcats and everything up in here. You know what I'm saying? Like, check this out. Alright, man, so just for y'all to see my whip, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm actually pretty proud of my whip. I fucking love this car, dude. This Mustang is something else, bro. I'm telling you, I got the quad exhaust and everything. So, you know what? I'm gonna just show it to y'all. Check this out. So, yeah, we're gonna start from the back, you know what I'm saying? Because we don't show license plates and shit like that. Yeah, check out them blacked out, you know what I'm saying? And don't get it fucked up. It is a 5.0 like I've always told y'all. 6-speed manual, you know what I'm saying? And we got the black. And apparently the owner before me has actually put this on. You know what I'm saying? So that's actually pretty dope to know that. And also it is a GT. I'm gonna have to somehow get that out of there, but yeah, GT. You know what I'm saying? We got the black top. You know what I mean? Yeah.
So he threw his hands up.
Most craziest motherfucking shit be happening outside there, bro. I swear. The one night I be a motherfucking YouTuber, bro. Vlogging this shit. Fucking about to fight somebody and shit.
Like, what are we doing?
Damn, bro. Damn. That shit was funny though. I ain't even gonna care.
But they can't. They're drunk.
I'm drunk too. What's up?
I know.
Well, I'm not drunk no more, but and the fucked up thing is like whenever that guy after he pushed me the fourth time.
No faces. No faces. I don't fuck what you say. No faces.
Like, you're gonna act like a grown man to me. I grabbed him by his neck, I threw him around. I'm like, what's that?
They threw his ass. Oh shit.
This is kidding. This is kidding. 4 times before I did anything. I'm
I was like, what's up, bitch? And he was like, I'm 16. I was like, what? I was like, wait, you want to fight or you trying to put 16?
That's what you want to do to vote. What to do? Do the vote. But the thing is, again, that's... You should have some good YouTube footage.
I ain't even record that, bro. I should have recorded that. I should have too.
They got cameras over there. Hey, see, I mean, like,
I was actually pointing at the way they were. I was looking at the way they were pointing. This shit was not pointing towards the fight at all.
do something.
Honestly, should have just done it. Said fuck it.
Hit me. I put my hands, I did this to him. I said, look,
Shit, bro.
hands on both sides. Like, I literally did this. I was like, hands on both sides. Like,
Yeah, it's crazy, y'all. That shit, hey, more footage though. You know what I'm saying? Let's see this shit, y'all. This shit crazy. Alright, everybody. That's it for tonight. More likely next weekend we're gonna have something going. So, and I believe the weekend after that. So yeah. I love the fact that these car meets and stuff like that. But then, next time I'll make sure I bring a lot out. I'm gonna try to have a lot more footage than what I had now. Sorry I couldn't give y'all too much, but hey, I hope y'all love like the little slow-mo B-roll and the stuff I was able to give you. But other than that, man, there's not really too much to say. I know I was talking about like how there was a fight and stuff, and it was at Sonic and all this bullshit and that shit, but yeah, man, I'm not the type to really say locations, and no, I don't put license plates and stuff like that. So we don't do all that. Nope. That's personal information and stuff like that. You know what I mean? And the reason why I ain't talking about that fight bullshit is because literally, it don't need to really be talked about like that. But like I said, there was one around. It was funny, and you know what I'm saying? Just caught it at that. So I ain't gonna talk too much about it. Like I said, disclosed locations. I'm not gonna say exactly what it was. No Mexico stuff happened, just so y'all know. So maybe next weekend or the weekend after that. You never know, because I know we got a lot of people that love to do that Mexico stuff. So y'all be ready for that. Other than that, I appreciate y'all. The what's his name gang, you know what I'm saying? I think I'm gonna change my name to that, but like I said, I'm not too sure on that either. But like literally, I don't know nobody's fucking name. I'm always saying what's his name. You can even call me what's his name. Like, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoying these vlogs and little stuff I give y'all. Just, you know what I'm saying? It's not like I'm not trying to do stuff and not trying to put out vlogs like that. But like I said, I'm doing everything from my phone, so it is a little more harder rather than having like an extra phone or having a camera and all that with the little wiggly. So outside, the footage is kind of a little garbage. You know what I'm saying? But hey, it's my first time. Can't really say too much about it, all right? But other than that, deuces to the little Reggie lifestyle gang, or what's his name gang, whatever you want to call yourself for my YouTube channel or whatever. But other than that, I'll catch y'all on the next video. Deuces.